How to pause time in Minecraft. So as you can see, it is currently daytime. And when I look up, as you can see, the clouds are moving. The sun is moving also. It's slow, but you can see it if you observe it just like that. So if you want to pause time, what you want to do, just make sure that you have your cheats and commands enabled. To do that, just simply click on escape on your keyboard. Click on open to LAN. Make sure that allow commands is turned on. Then just simply click on start LAN world. So once that's done, what you want to do is open up your command line, then type in game mode or game rule rather. Type in game rule, do daylight cycle and set it to false. So once that's done, as you can see, when you look up, the sun is now stayed put right there and it's not moving. Only the clouds are moving, but the sun is set to is locked right there. So you could also do this at nighttime. You just simply need to set it to night, and to do that, you simply type in time set to midnight. Before you do that, you simply need to disable this first, then set time to midnight, then do the command again, which is do daylight cycle to false, and the moon will stop moving also. So it is locked to nighttime. And that's how I basically pause time in Minecraft.